Hi guys, what's up? So recently I decided I wanted to revamp, rearrange, reorganize and transform my balcony area, which was initially vintage, to something which is fresh, and hence I'd ordered something from Ikea and I cannot wait to show all of you. Come on in. So this is a Dwala bedsheet, which is king size, and I love white, so this is what I've ordered for my room. This is a beautiful throw I'm going to use on my sofa. Look at these. Aren't they cool, right? So this is what I'm going to use it on a table that I've ordered. It's right inside, I'll show you later. This is the rug, can you see? Super excited. This is the candle. Oh, it smells so nice. I got 2 of these. I've ordered this for my room. It's a quilt cover. And there are pillow covers as well. Now this is something which I am going to place it on the table. Very, very cute. And of course, low maintenance. This is again for my wow. So I'm going to color this into sea blue and I'll show all of you how this turns out. Super excited! So it's basically given us a guide as to how to do this table. It's very user friendly and easy. The only struggle will be to place the screws. Hi guys, so finally I've transformed my balcony area. As you can see, I've got these things from Ikea. This is a very old table that I've painted. Uh, I love these mini plants. I have got candle here, and this is the pink throw. I got it from Ikea. Now this is a very old 100-year-old Hitchcock, which I've painted it into this color to give it a very fresh feel, fresh look. I hope you've loved it. There are many plants here and there, so that it gives me a very beautiful feeling that I'm sitting with the nature. So I hope you've loved my transformation, and I'll show you some more transformation in my next video. Till then, ciao.